we have to find general term for the given sequence. We have 0, first term is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, so next will be negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on. So let me write that a1 is equal 0. First term, the second term is negative 1. The third term is negative 2. The fourth term is negative 3, and so on. So we need to find the pattern. We have 0, negative 1, negative 3, negative 2, negative 3. We have 0 first. We know that the sequence describes the function whose domain consists of the positive integers. So positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. We substitute n by positive integers. So how this general form will look like? A n will be what? We need to get 0. So if I take first that n is equal 1, to get 0, I have to subtract 1. What else? Because we have the second term negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so the number is going down. We have negative 5, negative 6, and so on. To get negative integer, we need to subtract from the smaller number greater number. And because we have to have 0 at the beginning, so if I write 1 minus, and now 1 minus 1 give me 0, 1 minus 2 will be negative 1, 1 minus 3 will be negative 2, 1 minus 4 will be negative 3, and so on. So if I write here 1 minus n, we will have our general term. Let's check one more time. Let me write this maybe here. A1, what will be? 1 minus 1 is 0. So our first term. A2, what will be? 1 minus 2 is, how we subtract? We copy the sign on the greater number, so negative 2 is greater than 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. We have the second term, the same. For a equals 3, what will be? 1 minus 3, again, negative sign, we keep the sign of the greater number. 3 is greater than 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. We have this third term. For a equals 4, what will be? 1 minus 4, keep negative sign, and we have 4 minus 1 is 3. This is our fourth term. Everything is okay. So this is our general term. This is my solution.